calling all business owners. Do you want to supercharge your online presence and drive more targeted traffic? Whether it's generating leads, boosting sales, or increasing brand visibility, we've got you covered. Introducing our Google Ads Setup package for just $249 per month, designed to get your campaigns running smoothly and profitably. Here's what's included: Google Ads account setup and configuration, campaign strategy and planning, search ad setup, display ad setup, YouTube advertising, video ads, remarketing campaign setup, Performance Max, PMax, campaign setup, advanced keyword research and targeting, conversion tracking and Google Analytics setup, ad copywriting and creative assistance. We'll work with your monthly budget and make sure you're getting the best possible ROI. Ready to start attracting more customers with high-performing ads? Click the link in the description and let's get started today. For questions, reach out at admin@boostkings.com.au or call +61 489 226 422. We'd love to help.